Case name Dinanath, age is 25 years and today date is 9th of May 2024 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. So I want speech sample before treatment. Why you came here?
Hello doctor, my name is Dinanath Srivastav. I've come from Vadodara, Gujarat and come for the therapy to enhance my voice.
What challenges you are facing due to the voice problem?
Sometimes in day-to-day routine recognized with opposite gender.
Post therapy video of Dinanath and today date is 15th of May 2024. So क्यों आए थे और 8 दिन के ट्रीटमेंट के बाद क्या महसूस कर रहे हैं, लोगों के रिएक्शंस कैसे आ रहे हैं?
Hello doctor, my name is Dinanath Srivastav. I have come from Vadodara, Gujarat for enhancing my voice. It was earlier high pitch and there has been a little bit improvement and I've contacted my friends, so they were slightly confused while recognizing me.
Oh, that's great. So thank you. And can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Sure.
एंड जो लोग इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको इनकी वॉइस में पॉजिटिव चेंजेस दिखती हैं, इफ यू आर एबल टू सी एनी पॉजिटिव चेंजेस, लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो सो दैट दिस कैन गिव होप टू पीपल हैविंग सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम.